Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you one of the easy ways I eat raw vegetables, or one of the easy ways I incorporate raw vegetables to my diet. So this is a smoked fish jollof rice that I made. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below, and also vegetables from the sandwich that I made. The vegetable has lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and of course mayonnaise. And the jollof rice has smoked fish, of course, fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, green beans, and green peas. So if you're having a hard time eating raw vegetables, you might want to give this a try, and you will not even notice you're eating vegetables raw. But be sure to wash your vegetables properly before eating them raw. I'll be making more videos like this, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, drop your comments below, subscribe, and then you'll get notification anytime I share a new post. This looks really gorgeous, and trust me, it tastes really nice too. I'm sure you want to give it a try. Until next time, bye.